Will internet computer ever hit $700 again? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at 6 cents. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance, and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price, considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is ICP? Internet Computer is a decentralized blockchain network that was officially launched in May 2021 by the Dfinity Foundation with a global goal to push the boundaries of internet functionality and support smart contract development at a larger scale. Among the advantages of the project include a skilled team of crypto enthusiasts and the capability for smart contracts, allowing developers to create dApps. Moreover, ICP supports almost endless scalability and a high level of security maintained through a system of checks. The comprehensive mission of Internet Computer is to turn the public internet into a world-class computing platform. The developers position Internet Computer as a revolutionary network, due to facts that the blockchain is publicly available and equipped with impressive functionality. In addition, the project provides a borderless environment for smart contracts, running at web speed with reduced computational costs. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The main innovation behind the Internet Computer is chain key cryptography, which encompasses numerous scientific breakthroughs and countless advancements in crypto engineering such as Network Nervous System DAO, the world's largest permissionless DAO by TVL, $10.3 billion, as of January 5, 2022, and participants, 536,962 wallets. The NNS DAO is an open, permissionless, and decentralized algorithmic system governing the Internet Computer, which automatically upgrades the protocol based on proposals adopted by the community, and continuously adds new nodes allowing the blockchain network to infinitely scale. Low on-chain data storage costs. Decentralized data storage on the Internet Computer costs are very low. In comparison, it costs $310 million Ethereum and $800,000 Solana, as of January 17, 2022, to store 1 GB per year on legacy blockchains. As a result, legacy blockchains rely on centralized cloud providers such as AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Alibaba Cloud, etc. for off-chain data storage. For the first time, the low cost of decentralized data storage via the Internet Computer allows entrepreneurs and developers to run Web3 dApps entirely on-chain. User-friendly Web3 experience. The Internet Computer is the only public blockchain that runs smart contracts that directly serves HTTP calls to users, which means Web3 dApps on the Internet Computer have the same high-quality user-friendly experience of today's mass-market Web2 apps and games such as TikTok and Fortnite. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $25 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.